Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous tutorial we learned how to play the guitar. Sorry, the major chords G, C, D. So to practice with strumming, we want to study using the same chords. So let's strum. We are the first step of strumming is just the upward and down. Sorry. So in this same way, we are learning how to transition from the G to the C to the D, G to the C to the D, G to the C to the D. In that same way, you also have to learn how to transition from G to D in the future, depending on the kind of song and the progression that you need. So let's practice this step by step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's try with the strumming. So gently strum. Don't be afraid. It doesn't hurt. I think the difficult one might be the coming upward. So do it like so gently move upward. Let's do this guy. Gently move upward. So I'm on the G. In case you're hearing some disturbances, it means that maybe the chord you are not pressing on the strings well, or maybe a finger is interrupting another. You see, this finger is not supposed to touch this, so if it touches, you hear that. But when I position it well, I can hear all the individual strings distinctly. The way it's supposed to sound. Yeah, so let's go again. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let's go to C. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let's go to the D. 1, 2, 3. And let's go back to G. 1, 2, 3. So let's do it without looking on this part. So you can be looking at it because you're a beginner. I'm going to focus on the strumming for this tutorial. So you can look on the screen the chord changing to do it. So C, D, so I think one rule you need to know is there are some chords that you don't need to play all strings, especially the D. The D, you don't need the A and the E strings. So you start from the 4th string for the D. When it comes to D, you don't have to. If you play these ones, it will sound kind of off. So you can do down, 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 or maybe down, up. But I advise you learn the, so that when we get to so let's do it. 1, 2, 1, Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this far. See you, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. Like this video if you like this video, and leave in the comment section below if you have any question, anything that you would like to add, and feel free share to your friends as well. Hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you. See you next time.